Many people in the organization ask me that why reporting should be done on daily basis, why it's important. So guys, reporting is very much important, not just for one organization, not just for two organizations, rather for any organization you are working across the globe out there. Reporting is actually behaving like a periodic statements to your team leader or to the management to make them aware about what input and what output you have got within the given period of time, and as well as what is the performance plus what is the improvement in day-to-day daily routine. So if you are giving your daily reports, it counts in the basic discipline as well in the corporate sector out there. So it's important to report, because with the help of the report, the management or the team leaders can make necessary changes in their decision making, in their plannings, in analyzing the things, keeping in mind the objective of the company that the company has been formed for. They need to check whether your inputs as well as your output is going in the right direction set by the company, keeping in mind its objective. So these are the main objectives, and I would say the importance of reporting. And even it is important because human memory is not that much, you can say you cannot remember each and everything what you have done and what you have not done. So it also eliminates human memory. So in order to memorize, it's better that you have a written report of yourself stored up in your backup data, as well as it's there on your team leader's desk that what have you done for the entire duration and tenure of yours while you worked with the organization. So there is no need to recall, okay, yes, that day I did that, okay, no, wait, this day I did that. No, it eliminates these kind of things out there. And also it acts as an evidence, as a proof that yes, you have done this work and yes, you have not done this work. So guys, keep in mind that reporting is important, and we would love to know in the comment section below that what type of more videos are you expecting from us, on what topic, so that the next video can be out of the topic that you desire to. Happy learning!